So how many unfinished projects do you have lurking in your craft room, sewing box, junk journal corner, quilting corner, whatever the case may be? So today's video, we're going to finish up some of those unfinished projects. And for me, it's going to be working on the giveaway Daphne's Diary Junk Journal. That was the September giveaway here on my channel. I'm almost finished with that. Just have to put the last few touches on it, which we're going to do together. And then I'm going to finally finish up this pillow for my daughter. So I just need to put the fabric backing piece on it, and I am going to just go ahead and stuff it because I have never purchased the pillow form, and I feel like I'm just wasting time thinking that that's what I was going to do, and it just doesn't seem like it's going to happen. And I believe this project has been floating around at least a good year, maybe two. I'm not quite sure. I don't really remember. So it's time to get them finished. And then last but not least, we will do in the next video, which will be probably on either Friday or Saturday, I'll do the flip through of the Daphne's Diary number 6 magazine with you all. All right, so I think for me, I think the easiest thing is I want to work on the pillow because that's going to be the quickest and the easiest. This has got a lot more going on with it, and so I'm going to put all of the things here for that off my desk and just focus on this. So what I need for this is a piece of backing fabric, and it can be any color. Doesn't have to be any particular color because this is the front and this is the focal point. And so I'm going to just look through my stash and see what fabric that I have that is the first thing that really jumps out at me that I think would be something complimentary. I mean, I don't want to go crazy off the deep end with the backing fabric. So I see something. I don't really want something that's either going to have a lot of colors either that are going to conflict with this. So let me go pull a few of them out and let's see which ones look the nicest. So I would love for you to post in the community tab here at Markets of Sunshine your pictures of your unfinished projects and what has been holding you back from finishing them, and what have you learned once you start getting back working on them and you've finished it. What did it teach you? I would really like to know that, and that would help others here as well be able to have motivation to finish their projects that they've started. Okay, so I couldn't find the polyfill bag in my garage. I know it's out there somewhere because I had used it when I made this pin cushion, and I know I had a whole big bag. But anyway, so this is what I used for the backing, and I really like it. It's really, really cute. Actually, once I finished it, I said, you know what, because it's got some batting already. I said, this would be really cute if I just made it like a little pouch holder for her tablet, you know, or something like that. But I thought, no, just stick with the main thing. And I also had made her the journal, and I don't know where she's keeping the journal, but I thought, oh, maybe this would be a nice little pouch for her to keep the journal in. So I'm debating back and forth on now, do I want to make it just into like a little pouch for her to put the journal in that I made her, or her tablet, or go ahead and make it into the pillow. So I think what I'm going to do is ask her. Remember when I told you about making gifts for people that they'll actually use? Don't give them something that they don't want. Okay, so this is done, And all I need to do is stitch the top of this and either stuff it, like I said, or turn it into a little tablet holder. Okay, so that at least I feel very good about that. Okay, so now let's see where I'm at on the journal. Okay. So I am pretty good here. Doing very, very well. There's a pocket here. And then the top page over there. And another pocket here. A little side there. A little side there. And then this was the pocket here. And then this one just needs to be glued and then glued down here. And then this can go to Tilly. Yay! I hope you're excited, Tilly, and I hope you fill up these pockets with lots of goodies. Whatever your little heart desires. And I really, really enjoyed it. The whole process of making this for her, absolutely love every bit of it. What was so exciting about this whole thing was that as I was making this, you know, I didn't know who was going to actually be the winner until I did the drawing, so it works out so nice. Now the pocket is going to be glued down. I'm going to glue the whole thing. I'm not going to make it a double pocket. I like the idea of having the number here show and over here. And then now you know what this means. Yes! So for November, I can get busy in making the next Daphne's Diary Junk Journal for the giveaway, which will be the whole month of November that you get the opportunity to enter. And I'm hosting these giveaways while I've subscribed to Daphne's Diary magazine. And so it's very easy to enter. Subscribe to my channel, leave comments on my videos, subscribe to my mailing list, which is called Sunshine Makers Club. The links are in the description box. And any bonuses will be if you make a purchase in my Etsy shop of my new Sunshine Stitch Letter Club. So that gets you extra bonus points, but no purchase is necessary to be entered into the giveaway. So for October's giveaway, I'm giving $5 store credits to everyone who does all of those things. So it's not just one person. With the journal, I can only give it to one person, but so for October, everyone gets to win a prize. Okay, so this finishes it up, and I am so super excited to get this to her. I know she's going to love using it. Like I said, I can't wait to see what she puts in these pockets. And please, Tilly, post pictures of any embellishments that you add, and you can post your pictures right here in my community page where it says posts, and when you go to click on Markets of Sunshine, and then the last tab I think is posts, and then you can add your pictures of what you do with the journal. We would all love to see that, I know. Okay, so that finishes up this video, and now for the next video I will do the Daphne's Diary flip through, but our Wednesday series, this 12-week series, then join me next Wednesday to find out more about how to unlock your creativity. And that's all I'm going to reveal on that topic. But it's something very exciting, and I hope you will join Linda and me. For Linda, my friend at Icky Chic. So sorry, Linda. I don't know what it is. My brain just cannot wrap around that. I got one word in my mind so many years ago, and it just is like embedded in there, and every time I try to say it, it just doesn't come out right. I'm so sorry. But anyway, you can click on the link and you can go visit her channel and let her know that I sent you. So, and thank you so much for being a part of this creative journey and having so much fun making things for you all and sending you all these wonderful, beautiful gifts every week. So just can't express enough how much I appreciate your support and everything that has to do with Markets of Sunshine. So check the description box out and you will find lots of ways that you can, anything you've seen me make here on my channel, link is in my shop. You can find that there, and to the mailing list, and to check out the new Sunshine Makers Club. Oh, this is so cute. This turned out so super cute. I love it. Okay, and yeah, so Saturday's video, like I said, Friday or Saturday, will be all about the Daphne's Diary magazine number 6 flip through. And I will reveal what I'm going to be putting in my Daphne's Diary junk journal. For one, it's going to be my new Sunshine Stitch Club monthly newsletter, and my letter that is a community letter. That's another fun little part of that whole set. And then something else that I've gotten by mail. I have another collaboration that I'm doing with a company, so that reveal unboxing is going to be coming up. So stay tuned for that in a few weeks when all that happy mail arrives. Lots and lots of excitement going on here at Markets of Sunshine. I am so happy to be feeling well and sharing all these wonderful ideas with you here in my creative community. So stay safe, keep stitching in the sunshine, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.